How to add the general details when creating a memorial. So first you upload the photo of the deceased person. Then you select a memorial title. So you type in your preferred memorial title. Then next you add the full name of the deceased person. You add the alias or nickname of the deceased person. Then next you select the gender of the deceased. After, you move on to the date of birth, when the deceased was born. Then the place of birth of the deceased person. Then finally you enter the date in which the deceased person passed away. The place in which he or she passed away. So after you enter all these details, you select the Save Memorial button. And then that is it. You have completed the first stage, or the foundation stage, of creating a memorial. Thanks for watching.